Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set reminders in Google Keep in 2026. Reminders help you remember important tasks, meetings, study sessions, and daily activities. Let's get started. First, open Google Keep in your web browser and create a new note. Give the note a title, such as Daily Reminder, and write your task below it. Now click the reminder icon at the top of the note. Select Pick Date and Time, choose the date, set the time, and click Save. Once the reminder is saved, you'll see the reminder details at the top of the note. To view all reminder notes, click the Reminders section from the left sidebar. Here you can see every note with a reminder. If you need to change the reminder, open the note, click the reminder again, choose a new date or time, and save it. Google Keep reminders are useful for homework, project deadlines, shopping lists, appointments, and important daily tasks. That's how to set reminders in Google Keep in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.